here is my group of 8 individuals. And now we're going to begin. Become an organ donor. Give life. Every 10 minutes, a new person joins the national waiting list for an organ transplant. There are nearly 120,000 people on the organ donation wait list. It's estimated that every day in the U.S., 20 patients die because of the lack of donor organs. One person's donation can save or improve as many as 50 lives. These statistics come from the Cleveland Clinic and Mayo Clinic in 2019 and a public health report by Dr. Kenneth Morizugu in 2013. To quote Dr. Charles Miller, the Cleveland Clinic Transplant Center Director in 2018, there are diseases with no cure that are only helped by transplants. Here is a story of Jason, a heart transplant recipient. Jason became seriously ill from a heart condition around his 2nd birthday. After many hospital visits and sleepless nights, it was clear that Jason would need a new heart. He was on the transplant waiting list for 18 months. At last, at the age of 5, he finally received his second chance at life. According to Jason's parents, the new heart not only gave our son a chance to live, it changed our lives forever. We feel so grateful that Jason received this greatest of gifts. We want to express our deepest appreciation to the donor's parents for making this difficult decision. Jason's story is courtesy of One Legacy, Los Angeles, California, no date provided. Through a few simple steps, you can save the lives of dozens of people by this altruistic act. Today, I will encourage you to become an organ donor. We will walk through the simple steps and discuss a few misconceptions regarding organ donation. Steps to organ donation. It's simple. There are many options. Online, you can visit www.lifegoeson.com. By phone, you can call the Secretary of State Organ Tissue Donor Program at 800-210-2106. In person, you can visit any driver services facility throughout the state. Also tell your family. Be sure they know your wishes regarding donation. What information do you need to provide to the donor registry? You will need a valid State of Illinois driver's license, an ID card, your full name, and home address. It's that simple. But if it's so simple, why don't people do it? Perhaps there is a lack of understanding. Let's talk about some of these myths. Myth number 1. If I agree to donate my organs, the hospital staff won't work as hard to save my life. In reality, when you go to the hospital for treatment or after an accident, the care team focuses their efforts on saving your life, not someone else's. You will be given specialty care as necessary to match your condition, and you will receive the best care possible. Myth number 2. I'm too old to donate. No one will want my organs. In reality, there is no age limit for organ donation. The decision to use your organs is based strictly on medical criteria. So don't prematurely disqualify yourself when you could have a crucial impact on someone else's life. Let doctors decide at the time of your death what is suitable for transplantation. Myth number 3. I'm not in the best of health. Nobody would want my organs. In reality, there are only a few medical conditions that disqualify you from organ donation. Again, the decision is based strictly on medical criteria. Although a single organ may not be suitable for donation, your tissues may be life-saving. Let health professionals decide what can be transplanted to save another person's life. Again, the steps to organ donation are simple. Online, by phone, or in person, there are many options. All you need is your Illinois driver's license or your ID card, your full name, and your home address. I know it is impossible to predict the future, and this conversation is difficult. However, organ donation allows you to share your vital organs and tissues to another person who is struggling to survive. The steps are simple and the myths have been debunked. Go online today at lifegoeson.com and register yourself as a donor. Make the choice today that offers others the chance to live and thrive in this one life we are allowed to live. Become an organ donor. Give life.